Welcome back, English learners. Ready for day 2 of our 10-day challenge. Today, we're diving into essential vocabulary that you'll use every day. I'm Professor English, and I'm here to make learning English fun and easy. Let's get started and expand your vocabulary together. Let's start with some common nouns. These are words for people, places, and things. Apple, book, car, dog. Repeat after me. Apple, book, car, dog. Great. Now let's use them in sentences. I have an apple. This is my book. That car is red. The dog is barking. Repeat after me. I have an apple. This is my book. That car is red. The dog is barking. Excellent. Can you find something red in your room? Good job. I see a red pillow in my room. Let's learn a few more common nouns. House, tree, chair, cat. Repeat after me. House, tree, chair, cat. Excellent. Now let's use these in sentences. I live in a house. The tree is tall. This chair is comfortable. The cat is sleeping. Repeat after me. I live in a house. The tree is tall. This chair's comfortable. The cat is sleeping. Great job! What color is your house? Great job! My house is white. Now, let's learn some useful verbs. Verbs are action words. Eat, read, drive, play. Repeat after me. Eat, read, drive, play. Excellent. Let's use these verbs in sentences. I eat breakfast. She reads a book. He drives a car. They play soccer. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. She reads a book. He drives a car. They play soccer. Fantastic! What do you like to eat for breakfast? Sounds yummy. I like to eat pancakes for breakfast. Let's add a few more verbs. Run, write, sing, dance. Repeat after me. Run, write, sing, dance. Great. Now, let's use these in sentences. I run every morning. He writes a letter. She sings beautifully. They dance together. Repeat after me. I run every morning. He writes a letter. She sings beautifully. They dance together. Excellent. What kind of music do you like? Wonderful. I like to listen to slow music. Adjectives help us describe things. Big, small, happy, sad. Repeat after me. Big, small, happy, sad. Now, let's use these adjectives in sentences. The apple is big. The book is small. She is happy. He is sad. Repeat after me. The apple is big. The book is small. She is happy. He is sad. Great. How do you feel today? That is good to hear. I feel great. Let's learn a few more adjectives. Fast, slow, hot, cold. Repeat after me. Fast, slow, hot, cold. Now, let's use these adjectives in sentences. The car is fast. The turtle is slow. The soup is hot. The ice is cold. Repeat after me. The car is fast. The turtle is slow. The soup is hot. The ice is cold. Excellent. What is your favorite hot drink? That's awesome. My favorite hot drink is coffee. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and practice using these nouns, verbs, and adjectives in sentences. Try to describe things around you using the new words you've learned. Remember, practice makes perfect. Let's do a quick quiz to test your vocabulary. I'll show you a picture and you tell me the word. What's this? Yes, it's an apple. And this? Correct, it's a car. Great job. Let's continue with the quiz. What's this? Yes, it's a tree. And this? Correct, it's a cat. Excellent. Here are some tips for expanding your vocabulary. Read daily. Read books or anything in English. Use flashcards. Make flashcards with new words and review them regularly. Practice speaking. Speak English with friends or family members. Try to learn a few new words every day and use them in sentences. Watch English videos. Watch videos in English. like the one on my channel. Most importantly, subscribe and watch videos on my channel. Fantastic work today. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement in no time. Comment below with a sentence using one of today's adjectives. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons. See you for day 3 of our 10-day challenge. Bye for now.